Hey WeTransactor, I'm Yasmin, Customer Success Manager, and today I will show you how to create your first private offer. First of all, we will go into the WeTransact platform and log in, and we will get to this main page. On the left side of the screen, we'll select Private Offers and create Private Offer. Then we would go under Direct Private Offer, and we will select the Private Offer definition and configure offer details. Then this screen will show up here where we can name our first offer. So let's just call it test. And here you will need the customer's billing ID. The customer's billing ID can be found in their Azure portal in the marketplace. And you simply need to request that from them in order to be able to send them this private offer in their environment. So this you would paste it right here. And then here you can select whether this is a renewal or not. Finally, here you can select who prepared this private offer and who should be notified on your side and the partner side. So this could be up to 5 people, and you would simply need to add for each email address you want to add. The offer starts and the offer ends. This timeline right here basically represents up until when this pricing that you're setting up with the client is valid for. So if your subscription is for 1 year, for example, and you select here offer starts and offer ends in 3 years, that means for the next 3 years, the client will get this pricing the pricing and the terms that you have set in this private offer. The customer should accept this offer by, and you can select a date. This date here means that whatever was discussed and whatever was set at this private offer will only be valid if the client will accept the offer by this date right here. Then here you can select the product listing for which this apply. We're going to select this one, and you can attach your terms and conditions right here. Then you can select apply. We're not done yet. We will go to add pricing and add a pricing right here. We get to select the subscription length, the billing interval. So let's say 1 year. Is it one time or per month? And then we have the currency and finally the price. So let's say you can then add alternative billing options, multi-currency, and also you can enable custom dimensions. So for example, we want to add an onboarding fee. It is not included, therefore we might charge it if they take it or not. Save. And then we will add the pricing plan. So first of all, we selected to who this is going to, who created it, up until when it's valid, and for how long it's valid. Then we select the pricing. Here we have a little recap. And once we're ready and this is all set, we simply press publish. Once we publish, for about 15 to 20 minutes, that's the time that it's going to take for the client to be able to see it in their environment and then accept it. That's it.